Hello there, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Wave Watch, and I am your host, Sleepy Bull. Tonight, or today, wherever you are, we'll be going over none other than Litecoin. Litecoin is a select favorite of mine, and we're going to be speaking about the near-term and long-term projections for Litecoin. Let's begin. Something to note primarily, let me just hide everything here. To give you guys an overview of Litecoin, if we do a trend analysis primarily, we'll notice that this is my 20, 50, 1, and 200 EMA, followed by the super trend. We'll notice that we're below the 200 right now. Normally when we're below the 200, it's not very good. So our bias right now is really towards the downside, especially given the sell-off. Secondly, notice the channel that we've been in, or somewhat channel. And excuse the lines here, they got really out of hand here. I thought this was a megaphone. It looks like this is not a megaphone that's breaking out. Let me just delete a few of these lines off here. Almost done here. And yeah, there we go. Let me delete this one here. And these are the Fibonacci's as well that I want to take off. Let me just take one off here. Okay, and that should be it. So for now, you can see that a lot better now. So yeah, this uptrend here, we can, or this rising channel, usually the rising channels tend to go down or break down. We can distinguish it by what they call a Wyckoff channel. Where here we have downtrend. The change of character is here. We have potential, what they call spring tests here. It's phase A, phase B, phase C. And then we have another phase C here. There's up thrust and then up thrust after distribution. And now we have a sign of weakness here, SOW. I find that Wyckoff methodology and Elliott wave theory goes hand in hand very, very well. If you're into chart patterns, this pattern here looks like a double top. And you'll see a target somewhere here. But yeah, I mean, we've been expecting, we were up here and we were still saying, okay, we expect the turnaround, and we did get the turnaround. We've been expecting this break of channel here for almost a year. I've been saying here, Litecoin is going to 50 to 51, 56 to $51 for almost a year. And I think now is when it's becoming closer of a reality. We break this channel down, we have a W. I expected this to be a wave X to the upside. I think that's the one deviation we've had that we really didn't expect. And no 5-wave move, but it was really a short 3-way move, W, X, Y. And it looks like we stopped short at the, what is this? The 786 right there. Or maybe that's the, yeah, no, that's the 786. Let me move this up a little. Right to it, right to the 786. There you go. So let's label that. That's W, X, Y. Now, oh, that's too big here. It's minute. It's let me see, 1, 2, 3. That's micro. Okay, there we go. So now we are seeing either the WXY down or the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because usually it's 3, 3, 5. Because we saw this fast crashing structure, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, back test, retest, 5 for a 1. Let's do micro again. Let's make this corrective color. I like making my corrective colors in, what is this, light blue. Or cyan, I'm not sure what color that is. But yeah, there we have it, folks. So now we have a WXY. Let's see. We can do an ABC. We can make this an ABC here, just to give it some flair, even though it should be a WXY. There you go. So this is what we expect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 double bottom, and then just rocket ships up from here. Rocket ships. So, you know, it wouldn't be a coincidence if we do a $55 test as support of this giant downtrend. So I would not be surprised if Litecoin just does something like this. Of course, that would mean, and look at that confidence, that would mean a bottom for Litecoin this summer, August 2024. It's getting close. It's getting close. I got goosebumps now. Yeah, I personally, I will reserve my chips for buying Litecoin. That's the short-term prediction. August 2024 retest of the bottom. $55. That's the final. It's the final verdict. Let's see here. WXY. Oh, excuse me. $63.52, right around big macro conf. Oh, excuse me. Here we go. It's this one. 618 is 45, so that means the 382 is. Oh, let's look at the 0.5. 0.5 is 54. Yeah, big confluence there. Big connection from all these Fibonacci's. That means the high likelihood is the bottom will be 56 there. So there you go, folks. Excuse me. There you have it. Litecoin to 56, 55 by the summer. Expect the retest of this trend line and then rocket ship. That's the short term projection. Now for the long term projection. Like I've said before, Litecoin is a sleeper, folks. A sleeper coin. We have immediate expectation for Litecoin to go up as high as, believe it or not, $7,000 per Litecoin or more. This is macro 1, this is macro 2. Macro 3 is here. Long term, folks, long term. We're in this for the long run. Remember that. So yeah. Personally, I would be packing my Litecoin bags, because once this $55 Litecoin hits, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC, and then we're gonna do 1 big one, 2 big one, 3 big one. Oh, excuse me. There we go. 3 big one, 4 big one, 5 big one. Which is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom, and then down. And it's seasonal. It takes time. what you experienced here, you have to go through it 5 times to get to this level. And so, but you know, do you want to buy here? Or do you want to buy here? I mean, you pick, guys. And that's it for me, folks. Sleepy Bull out.